Let me say something most advice skips. If you feel overwhelmed trying to build something online, it's not because you're bad at content. It's because you started in the wrong order. And once you understand the order, everything else gets easier. Here's what usually happens. You open YouTube and Instagram, you hear post every day. You hear pick a niche. You hear monetize fast. So you try to do everything at once. And that's how you end up stuck. Not moving, not posting, not confident, not lazy, just overloaded. I want to give you one rule that changes everything. Clarity comes before consistency. If you don't know what you're saying or who you're saying it to, consistency feels like torture. But when clarity is there, posting stop feeling heavy. If that sentence already clicked for you, pause for half a second and type clarity in the comments. I read every comment and it helps me shape what I meant next. Clarity means three things. First, you know who you are trying to help. Second, you know one problem they're struggling with. And third, you know why you care enough to keep talking about it. You don't need a brand. You don't need a logo. You don't need a content calendar. You need those three things. Most people skip this step because it doesn't feel productive. It doesn't look like work. But this is the thinking that makes everything else work. If you skip clarity, you'll post inconsistently and burn out. If you build clarity first, momentum becomes natural. So here's something you can do today. Write this sentence down, even if it feels messy. I help so-and-so who are struggling with so-and-so because so-and-so. If you can't answer it yet, that's okay. That's not failure. That's the starting point. This channel exists to help you build that clarity. No hype, no shortcuts, no pressure to be perfect. Just simple thinking, and that makes action easier. If this helped, subscribe. Not for motivation, but for clarity. We build order first, then everything else. Now have a great day.